Detecting objects from images manually is time-consuming and error-prone, but with Amazon Rekognition, it's quick, accurate, and automated. So how do you get started? First, load your image. This image used is locally stored, so we'll load it and run the object detection, then start with configuring the environment by installing Bodo 3, a library that lets you connect to AWS services locally. Once installed, you'll need your AWS Access Key ID, secret access key, and the region name. But how do you get those? Let's see. Go to the AWS Management Console and access the IAM Service. As you make API requests to AWS, you're acting as a user, so you need to set up a new user. Click User, Create User, fill in the username, and click Next. Select Attach Policies directly as permission option, then search Amazon Rekognition in Permission Policy. Select Amazon Rekognition Full Access. This grants full access to all Rekognition features, so you don't need to log into the console every time. Once the user is created, you'll receive the access key and secret key. Now, with these keys ready, let's write some code. First, import the Bodo 3 library. Then, initialize a client, specifying the service name Rekognition and adding the required parameters like region name, access key, and secret key. Once the setup is complete, open your image and use Rekognition to detect labels. Here, we've told Rekognition to identify objects and print out their labels. And there it is. Amazon Rekognition returns the object's name, confidence level, and bounding box coordinates. For instance, we can see that it identified a bicycle with 99.5% confidence. The bounding box details the exact location of the object within the image, providing coordinates like width, height, left, and top positions. Rekognition detects multiple objects within the same image, each with detailed information. And that's how quickly and accurately Amazon Rekognition works. Set up Amazon Rekognition today and see the magic of AI-powered object detection. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.